the announced tariffs by the U.S. government represent the U.S. government resetting trade relations with the countries across the globe. It's not about South Africa. With regards to bilateral relations and the issues related to meetings of the officials, Ambassador Dlomo was in the U.S. She will be able to speak to that, and also the issues of our ambassador in the U.S., and also other teething issues of policy, BEE, and other matters. We view them as sovereign matters of South Africa, that the government of the Republic of South Africa as a sovereign state has to continue to take decisions on its own independently, and also be informed by its own policies. And the main one, which is the supreme law of the Republic, is the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, which state issues of redress as an important principle in its preamble. This has also been affirmed by the Human Rights Council in Geneva, that South Africa has to deal with issues of redress on the land question or any other issue of redress that the country has to resolve. This is a sovereign matter that South Africa needs to continue to be firm on, and be principled on its stance with regards to these matters, because it's a constitutional imperative. And we will as we see these as sovereign issues, the government will have to proceed to implement what is a constitutional imperative, and what the various laws that have been passed in the government and in the Parliament of the Republic of South Africa as a sovereign state. And we will continue to engage with the U.S. in this regard, to state that those that have got concerns with these laws, one of them being the expropriation bill, there are viable mechanisms in the South African robust system, which has got checks and balances. They have taken them to court on the basis of constitutionality. That space needs to be given a chance. It must be given a life of its own. Our courts are known to be independent and impartial, and we believe that that process has to be given that chance. And any other processes that are domestic are happening in the country. And these also include the NHI, the Bella Act, as they've been done through the Constitution.